Hey guys, I'm filming this video because I'm really bored. So this is my bike check. Okay, I'll start off in the front. We have black and white stolen revolver with Primo hub and an animal ASM. Demolition forks. They're really good. They're really solid, lightweight. Never have any problems with them. We have a Colony headset, which is really smooth. I've never had any problems with that, like any stickiness or like any like grindiness in like inside the headset or anything. We have an animal stem with triple B headset. Stem nuts or nut with Primo Tallboys gray. We have brown animal grips with Demolition white bar ends. These are actually really good. They last a really long time. This is a Kink Liberty frame. We have Primo lightweight ultralight cranks with Primo spacers. And we have plastic Eastern pedals, which are just like stock Eastern pedals. These are actually really good. They have a lot of grip. They don't space, or when I'm pedaling, they don't skip. We have a black plastic pivotal seat, and on the other side, there is an animal sprocket, animal Balboa sprocket with a shadow half-link gold chain. In the back, there is, sorry about that, there's yellow Primo spokes with a Demolition hub laced to an Alienation black sheep with an animal in the back. The tires are really good. They're like brand new. My cranks are very old though. I've used them for like 2 years. Pedals are fairly new. Stem is really new. Bars are old. Seat is old. And yeah. And hold on, I'll do a drop test to see if it's solid. You don't really need to see it. It's pretty solid. That's the back. Front. Both. Alright guys. That's my bike check. I'll see you guys later.